Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to quickly find all shared links inside any group on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're looking to revisit a website someone shared weeks ago or just want to keep track of useful links, this simple method will save you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to your account. You'll see all your chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through your list and find the group where you want to view the shared links. Once you've located it, click to open that group's chat. Now, at the top of the chat window, you'll see the group's name. Click on it. This will open the group information panel where you can access details like members, notifications, and media. In the new update, Telegram has made it even easier to find what's been shared in your groups. In this information panel, look for the section labeled Shared Media. Here, you'll see different tabs such as Media, Files, Music, and Links. Click on Links. This tab shows every link that's ever been shared in that group, from websites and news articles to YouTube videos and blog posts. You can scroll through the entire list and open any link you want directly from there. If you're searching for something specific, use the search bar at the top of the tab to quickly narrow down the results. Just type in a word or part of a URL, and Telegram will instantly filter the shared links for you. And that's it. You've now found all the shared links in your Telegram group on PC. This feature is especially helpful for groups that share a lot of information, making it simple to revisit useful resources without scrolling endlessly through old messages. Thanks for watching.